All right. So as I was saying, the first thing you want to do is let me just clear this again so that you can see it. Now you go to your view, click on terminal, it opens this up for you. Then you do your git init. Now, if you've not initialized git init before, it's going to say initialized git an empty git repository. But because I have initialized mine before, what is it saying? Reinitialized. You understand? So it's just telling me that I already have it. I don't need to add it again. You see? You're only saying not recognized, right? You installed Git. Who else is having the same issue? Who else has tried Git in it? Is it working? Initialize. Initialize. Mr. Dean. Initialize. Reinitialize. Okay. Miss Joy, what about you? Initialized or what about you? So we only have one person. All right. Check it now. Yes, you means on is it on saved? You know what? What you have to do, check here, just over on the U like this, and check what it says. It's probably on track. On track, yeah, on track. So it's on track. So that means it has not been tried, it has not been saved. That's what it's saying. Eh? He said you've not done git add. You've not done git add, right? It's only git init. Good. If you use git init, it's going to show you. You means that is what has been on track. You've not saved it. You understand? So if you now do git add, you're going to show what? A. Now, if you now change what you've added, it's not going to show what? M. Means you've modified what you added. There are 3 stages. First of all, if you make changes to a particular file, it's going to show what? U. Means what? On track. That file has not been saved to your staging area. If you now does not be added to your staging area, if you now add that file to your staging, it's going to show what? A. Now, the file you've added, if you now make changes, that's before you commit to. If you now make changes, it's going to show what? M, which means what? Modified. You modified the file you added. You understand? So you have to what? Add it again. You understand? I'm just telling you what U, M, and A means. You understand? So now, git init, right? If you to add everything now, git add. To add everything, you do what? Git add, then dot. It adds everything. If you're trying to add just a particular file, you write the file name. So for instance, star.css, just singular file. If you want to add multiple, you can add mobile.css also, index.h, but that's like a long journey. So just go ahead and do what? Write git add, then what? Dot or full stop. Click enter, then automatically it has been added. What is it showing? Moment, don't worry. Reinitialize, that was the same. Okay, it's the same initialize. I don't know about. I don't know. Okay, let me write up the command. Now, your own issue is that it has not been configured on VS Code for you. That's you've installed, right? It installed. Good. So you have to first of all configure it on your VS Code. Let me just quickly look for that command. VS Code git configuration. Yeah, so this is it. Now for everybody, you will need to run this command. So the first command, not you yet, but okay, let me just look for your own. Now, this is the command you want to write. Git config. What I want you to do now is I need you to open up your terminal. Open up your terminal. No, not you. It's working for you, right? Git init work for you. Since it work for you, don't need this. Now, on your terminal, right? On your terminal, just go ahead and write git config, right? -- global, then core.editor code, then -- wait. Just check it out. Let me open it. Okay. I'll explain. So let me show you what I'm saying again. What you need to do, can you see it? Is it clear to you now? Git config. You know what? Let me just quickly write it for you so that. So I'll explain why this is necessary for him. Git config. Global. No, let's open CMD. No, it's not. Short. Sometimes you have to configure your you have to configure Git on your VS Code. You know what? I'm going to end the class here. So actually, I wanted to go for the, but no. I'm looking at everybody's face. You know, I'm not just looking at your own face. I'm looking at everybody. I know that I've actually stretched a lot of us today. So we're going to end the class here. But one thing I'm going to advise again is we stopped at what? Git add, right? So we're going to move to Git commit on Monday. One thing I'm going to advise is make sure you go ahead and just study it on your own. So I'm going to upload the videos today. Immediately I get home, I'm going to upload it. Please just try as much as possible to study everything you can gather about Git. Every single thing you can gather. I'm going to send the link right now to this Mr. No, Celestine. Thank you. Are you on this call currently? You're on the call. I'll send a link to you, please. You let me send it to the group. I'll send it to the call now. You let me send it to the group. You understand? Yeah? Okay, yeah, add him. Yes, sir. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Okay, so you don't have your portal yet. Good. So just there are some videos on the portal. Watch them. So like I said, start from since you say you have background in HTML and CSS, start from 3. Watch everything on week 3. Watch everything on week 4. This is week 5. I think you started with us on Wednesday, right? Good. So week 5, I think you understand the things within the responsiveness. So that's all about. But watch week 3 and week 4 before next week, then you should be able to catch up with us. It's very important that you do that, please. So I'm going to send this to the chat now. So we can all, let me stop recording. See?